welcome back. We are deep and heavy into episode 2, heading off to Northwest Island today, departing Gladstone. So stick around for the journey, it's going to be a fun one. Nice and calm as we take off into the shipping lane. Lots of ships, however things turn, and my poor little darling has a bit of an upset tummy, learning to deal with seasickness.
How you feeling, darling? Better? Good.
Puppy. Hello, darling. Look at that. Could not get any better conditions.
Nena. Oh, you saying hello to Nena.
Northwest Island. Upon arriving to Northwest Island, we set anchor and took a seat on the front deck to watch a marine research team haul up a 3.5 metre tiger shark, which they then tagged, released and named Penelope after our little girl. They literally pulled up this thing no more than 10 metres from our boat. The steps into the water off the back of the boat quickly came up. We weren't game to jump in and have a swim, that's for sure. It's definitely an amazing experience and one we're never going to forget. Northwest Island is a coral cay in the southern Great Barrier Reef, located 75 kilometres northeast of Gladstone in Queensland. The little channel on the right there is access on full tide for dinghies and small trailer boats. Vegetation on the island is dominated by dense Pisonia forest and also features a designated camping area, toilet facilities and fuel storage. Upon taking a walk on the island, the bird life is plentiful with bird shit everywhere and the odour intoxicating. The green sea turtle and the endangered loggerhead sea turtle nest on the island between November and February, and we were fortunate enough to see so many turtles in the crystal clear water with turtle tracks up on the beach. Legs had been laid throughout the night. Being a full moon too, I'm sure lots of baby turtles had started their ocean adventure.
done! Wow! Look at the stingrays!
Nice, here comes the end of the blue line. Here we go. Wow!
Nummy breakfast.
Well, things changed overnight and we are heading back to Gladstone. Weather's come in a lot earlier than anticipated,
Okay.
and it's not going to be an enjoyable trip home.
I think it's working too hard in these conditions.
Back to it, and first job, we've got a block toilet. Oh, the stench is just incredible. Yeah. Oh, that's hot. Being a second-hand new boat, the calcium build-up here was disgusting. We've been to the shop. Penelope purchased her very first fishing rod with her birthday money. Now time to rig it up and give it a try. So what does he do? Doop, doop, and then you up. Yeah, good girl. Just a little bit. Can you feel fishies? No? And what about winding it up? What did Mummy show you? To wind it up. Do you want help? Yep. So remember, yeah, that's it. And then use the hand on this one while that's it. So pop this one on here, and then that one, and you're going to wind forward, not backward, forward. This way. Right, so we've got guests coming shortly, and when we bought the boat didn't have a fitment for a mattress for the saloon, so that's my task today. Now, pretty handy, and I bought some dog mattresses from Kmart. So they're the pet mattress, and they're a memory foam, so they're a bit nicer quality. The width is perfect. However, they only had a large and an extra large, and the large is completely sold out nationwide. So I need to do some changes to the extra large one, which is fine. The large one fits perfect, so I'm pretty happy with that. And the plan is to pop underneath some non-slip matting, so it'll fit perfectly. And storage-wise, being in two parts, we can just pop it away, nice and easy, and be stored out of the way. Yeah, so pen, paper, I'm just going to mark out the actual space through here, then mark it up on here. Tomorrow, the Gladstone Library has a free sewing session, so I'm just going to pop along and take my work with me and give it a crack there. Might just be able to learn a couple of tips before I come home and then finish it. I was fortunate enough to find a sewing machine at Vinnie's, which is like a op shop. It was $80, so it's a brother, it's perfect. I spent a couple of dollars on some bobbin, thread, and a pair of shears just to make the job nice and easy. And the only thing I'll need to go back and buy, no, I won't need to, so it's got a zip and everything. So pretty cool. This was $30, so for the chance of buying a new mattress from Clark Rubber, all the bits, time, labour, the whole lot, would have been far more. So pretty happy with my little hack. And yeah, so follow along and we'll show you how I go. Toes and feet. Out of the way. Move your toes. Alright, so we've got some anti-slip matting. And then that there. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just has to do the job. So this is the existing one and it fits perfectly. Just amazing. And then this is the new one that I've just shaped up and sewn in to fit the gap. And it honestly just... Hang on. There we go. What do you reckon? It's pretty good. What do you reckon, Penelope? Perfect. Pretty happy with that? In preparation for our Kimberley trek, we purchased a new high-field dinghy. What is it, Matt?
Bye.
So it is a dark and gloomy day here in Gladstone, which kind of was forecast but wasn't expecting, to be honest. We've got a cool little treat today, high-field delivery of a new tender, which is really exciting, but trying to get the bloody thing from the car down to the marina to our boat has been trying. So let's see if we can see. Kind of see, but Matt's up on the marina deck, up on the grass, trying to build
Anyway,
it.
I might have to go and help, but in the meantime, Penelope and I have just made our barbecue meatballs, which look really amazing. We haven't made these before, have we? No? Oh, you're hungry, aren't you? So, Penelope's going through a bit of a sleep regression at the moment, and she managed half an hour and we had to jump in the car to do it. So, we're pretty tired, pretty sleepy, all of us, but we will get there, I'm sure, if we just stick to the same routine.
All right, about time we get up there and give him some help, hey? Meatball. Did you make the meatballs? They're very delicious, aren't they? Well done, darling. I think you found the spot, huh? Pretty cool. Blue swimmer crab. Do it very tight. Are you ready to get it? Alrighty. Well, that's it, guys. Another episode done and dusted. We're heading to the Keppel Islands, so stay tuned for next Friday's episode. Like and subscribe and be notified of every vid.